Volatility is crushed. Bitcoin is coiling at major support, but beneath the surface, the meme coin sector, the Fab 4, are starting to show real signs of life. If you want daily, real-time analysis and early meme coin alpha, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and join my Telegram group. The link is below. Let's jump in. Markets have shaken off the Trump tariff fears. US equities are ripping to new highs, volatility is crushed, and risk appetite is back. BTC is consolidating above, just below 109,000, and Ethereum is quietly reclaiming the 2600 plus zone right now at 2,644. Smart money isn't chasing yet, but they're not de-risking either. So this is a wait and pounce moment. The real alpha right now is the others index. If you don't know what the others is, it's the total crypto market cap excluding the top 10. Meme coin sector has been showing clear accumulation since May. Volume, OBV, and RSI are all curling up. As you can see, the volume has been starting to move up since May 8th, really, is when it started, and it hasn't stopped. Money is rotating into risk, and memes are at the front of the line when that happens. This is the setup you want to see before a run. And as you can see, if we break above this, if we break above the 50, which it looks like it wants to do right now, and break above this ascending trend line, next stop is this 250 billion mark, which is the 200 EMA, this yellow line right here. And once we break up above that, guys, things are looking very nice, very nice. Make it through this OBV, this volume node right here, this around 265. We break out of that, guys, and then it's a lot more clear skies. Things are looking pretty interesting for the low cap stuff. First time I've seen that since this drop right here. But everything else is starting to look up. You can see the grind up, right? Grind up since we basically had a local bottom on the 22nd of June. And BTC dominance also is starting to flatten out. If it breaks down, and right now it looks like we might lose this 50 EMA, expect capital to start flowing hard into altcoins, and especially into meme coins, guys, into meme coins. If Bitcoin dominance loses this 50 EMA, I would think the next stop would be right here at this point of control at around 64%. Out of all the meme coins out there, the Fab 4, which are Miggles, Toshi, KeyCat, Dog and Me, are flashing the strongest setups. Here's what to watch for in each chart. Miggles is building a classic breakout structure above the 50 EMA, pressing into heavy resistance. RSI and OBV are climbing, and volume is starting to move up. If Miggles clears resistance on volume, you want to be early, not late. If we break through out of this area, guys, it becomes a lot easier to move through all this zones. You can see the volume nodes are a lot smaller than right here. Right now, Miggles is at 0.031, and as you can see, as you will be seeing, as I've been showing, it's been starting to grind up. Right? Hopefully, we get above this 50 EMA, this blue line right here. Toshi bounced off its 200 EMA and is retesting local highs. Structure is turning bullish, but it needs a clean close above 3059 for momentum. Even closer than that, if we can stay above this 50 EMA, if we can just get above this 50 EMA, this blue line right here, which is currently at 3050. Okay, if we can get above that, then I would say the next stop, the next area would be this point of control here at 3071. If you see that breakout, expect a fast move. There's not much resistance above that. Okay, not much resistance at all above that. KeyCat is curling off lows, same type of thing, same type of structure. As you can see, it's grinding up. At least we're above the point of control, reclaiming key EMAs. Well, wanting to reclaim right now we're above the 50 EMA and looking like you want to head towards that 200 EMA, which is the yellow line right here at 0.00 640. It's early accumulation. These are the spots where outsized moves can happen if the sector catches fire. Still early, but big potential if the memes start running. RSI is curling up. OBV isn't, but I like this chart. Okay, I like that we're above this volume node right here. Okay, this point of control right here at 0.0030. All right, we're just gonna make it past these EMAs. We make it past these EMAs, same type of thing for Satoshi. You get a lot more clear skies. Next area of resistance for KeyCat would be around here, 0.0056 if we make it past these EMAs right here. Dog and me is compressing right below resistance, right below the EMAs, and volume is starting to tick up. As you can see, you might not be able to see that there. No clear trend yet, but the base is forming and the energy is there for a quick pop. If the sector moves, dog and me can explode fast. These compressed structures are fuel for rallies. I think all of them are, again, if the market complies, all of them are essentially bottomed out, okay, forming a base. Dog and me is more sideways than the other ones. The other ones are grinding a little bit higher, are grinding with are grinding with like a higher gradient, okay. But although dog and me is sideways, I think this is a base for it. And again, if we make it past these EMAs, volume node, high volume node, right here, okay, the point of control right here at 3086 would be, for me, if we can make it past these EMAs right here at 3056, this would be the next area where I think it would try to hit. Hopefully it would break through. Dog and me, what you don't see in the charts, and what I can tell you is Dog and me has, all of these four have a strong community. Dog and me has a rabid community, okay? These guys in the community are always out there in Twitter just promoting Dog and me, and honestly, that's what you want to see in memes as well. All four of them that I mentioned to you do have that, okay? I just happen to notice that personally that Dog and me has a really strong rabid community. Those guys are about it. You really want that in a meme that you want to pick, that you want to go in on, okay? You want that strong community. So Dog and me right now, 3052. Things are looking pretty interesting there, guys. Things are looking pretty interesting there. All Fab4 meme coins are setting up with bullish structure. Market structure right now favors upside, especially for altcoins and memes. Patience is key. A big move is brewing, likely driven by rotation, not new leverage. Watch BTC dominance, others, and Ethereum for signals. As long as Bitcoin holds 105 to 108,000, the path of least resistance is higher. If we get a BTC or ETH breakout, expect memes to move even faster. If the rotation fades, be ready to step aside. Don't chase late. Are you positioned for the next meme coin wave, or are you letting this rotation pass you by? Drop your top meme pick and why you're bullish or bearish in the comments. If you want daily breakdowns like this, like the video, subscribe, and hit the Telegram link below for real-time analysis and calls. Stay nimble, stay sharp, and don't fade the meme coin rotation until Bitcoin actually breaks down. See you in the next one. Peace.